Seems like it.
Yeah.
Definitely seems like it.
Huh? Look who we have in the studio, people. Look who is here.
Zip FM, Lucas DiPasquale, what's going on?
No, you hear him sound tuggish now? The last time I had him in the studio, I was like, yo, wagwan. Let me get him real quick. Vibes, nothing at the place. He's going to be doing the Zip interview. Lucas, come out of my frame now, Vibes. Come out of my frame now, youth.
It's all about respect.
Yeah. Lucas, you became an internet sensation with that cover of Popcaan's tune, and last time I saw you was when I actually interviewed you. I'm so happy that things have progressed for you because you said that this is what you wanted to do. And you're in Jamaica, and I'm so happy I got you because I know that demands on you must be really heavy. Why are you here? And people who are joining on Periscope right now, if you want to ask Lucas some questions, just tell me and I'll ask him. Why are you here in Jamaica though?
We came out here to shoot a video for No Talking, for a single with Popcaan. So I have an EP that's out right now. It's called Post Secondary. You can pick it up online. And there's a song on it called No Talking with Popcaan, and we just shot the video for it yesterday. So it was crazy, super amount of fun. Like, I'm still very, very tired. So it's gonna look really, really dope. And yeah, now we're just doing some radio interviews and stuff like that, and leaving on Friday. So.
Who directed that video yesterday?
Daniel.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So he was. I've never met him before, but he was a sick guy. And,
I just want to ask you though, just the Prips people, any celebrities making any appearances in the video besides Popcaan?
Besides Popcaan, just Ching Ching was there. He was flying around on his
his hoverboard.
Which is crazy because he's so tall, so it looks like he's
looks like Jughead.
Looks like Jughead. Yeah, so Ching Ching was there. I mean, like people who rolled with Popcaan too. That was like sick. I got to see Jamie again. Jamie was there, YVP. So that was cool. And other than that, like, there's not too many big cameos on that one that we didn't see on Do It Like, but just the idea that you know, Popcaan was there and we had his crew there, the Unruly crew, I guess, and just crazy.
Let me ask you, who came up with the concept for this collab?
For the collaboration, Ricky said that it could happen. My manager said, hey, Popcaan would do a tune with you, like that could happen. So I just started writing, and I wrote the song. I wrote like the majority of the song and on the guitar and the lyrics, and I sent it over to him, and he put his own spin on it. And it was more just like, I'm just waiting for Popcaan to actually collab with me, right? Like, I'll do anything, it doesn't really matter. I just want to make music with this guy, right? Like, that would be really, really cool for me. So when it actually happened, I was like, yeah, it's great that it's this song, but I was just waiting. Right?
Talk to us a little bit about your EP. How many tracks are on there, and how many collabs, if any more?
Yeah, there's 4 original songs on there, and then a live version of Do It Like that we did at Popcaan here in Jamaica. Another one of the songs features Assassin on it, so which is like, he's another one of my favorite dancehall artists, so that's huge for me too. And then there's a solo song, just me. It's called Speech. So that's all the tracks, and it got released last week, October the 9th, which is huge for me because I've never released anything like that. So it's on shelves in HMV in Canada, which is like a music store in Canada, which is huge for me. And it's I think it'll be a good lead up to an album. Like, I think really working on an album now, and it'll serve as a good kind of intro to what I'm going to be doing, and hopefully I get to work with these guys and more, because I want to keep working with the Assassins and the Popcaans and the.
I want to ask you because you know that Drake has a lot of respect for Popcaan, and Ching is also signed to Popcaan's label, and you're from Canada, where Drake is from. By the way, congrats, you have a new Justin. Has Drake reached out to you, or would you like to work with him?
Obviously I'd love to work with Drake. I think like Drake's that kind of guy who obviously I would want to work with him because he's so popping off right now, like he's everywhere, but I really, really respect him as a writer and as a rapper and a singer and a songwriter, and he's a very good musician, so I'd love to work with him. I don't know, maybe he's got some time for me at some point, but
you never know.
But that's like a dream collaboration for sure.
And if that hotline rings, it won't be for a booty call.
Definitely won't be.
But let me ask you real quick, how has your life changed since you've exploded on the scene now?
Honestly, honestly, not. I just get to do stuff like this. Other than that, like back in Toronto, it's the same kind of thing. Playing music, playing shows, like just kind of trying to get ready and I feel like there's gonna be a boom at some point where it's just like always doing stuff.
You ready for it?
So yeah, I'm ready to start playing that much. I don't know if I'm ready for all the other stuff, but I'm definitely
We won't talk about the other stuff.
I'm definitely ready to just start playing. So it's been like I get to do stuff like this. I get to make videos of Popcaan now, which is crazy. But other than that, it's kind of been the same thing.
All right, so just run down real quick your social media contacts for persons who want to, follow you and your excitement and your brand.
I'm at Lucas DiPasquale. That is LucasDiPasquale. Lucas DiPasquale on Twitter, at Lucas DiPasquale on Instagram, Lucas DiPasquale Music on Facebook, Lucas DiPasquale on YouTube, and yeah, that's it.
So let me just run around right here while you go inside and do your Zip interview. Who's that dude over there? Is he just a hanger-on? Who's that?
He's my buddy Fraser.
What does Fraser do on your team?
We hang out.
Okay.
Pretty much it.
Because everybody needs that. Okay, Fraser. Toby, why are you hiding behind this? Don't hide, Toby.
Oh, that camera, the reason
So,
that camera.
I can't understand Toby. Toby is his manager, but he's hiding out. Anyways, I'm gonna allow you to go and do your interview. Just big up the Ziptocrats real quick.
Ziptocrats?
Yeah.
Ziptocrats. Zip FM, thank you so much for having me. Ziptocrats, thank you for watching and listening. I really, really appreciate it. This is very big for me. Stay tuned.
All right.